Jackson International Airport. Local time is approximately 7:20 a.m. Please remain seated till the captain brings the aircraft to a complete stop at the gate and turns off the fasten seatbelt sign. This will be your only indication it's safe to move about the cabin and collect your personal belongings. Please use caution when opening overhead bins to avoid injury from items that may fall. If you need assistance here in Atlanta with connecting flights, ground transportation, or baggage claim, there will be uniformed agents greeting our flight who will be happy to assist you. If you are continuing on with your air travel, you will find your gate information printed on the bottom of your boarding card. However, we highly advise that you check with the monitors in the terminals as gates are subject to change. Certainly has been our pleasure bringing you to Atlanta this morning, and the next time your plans call for air travel, we hope you will once again find it a convenience as well as a pleasure to choose Delta and our affiliates. We'd like to extend a particular thank you to all of our medallion members. It's always so nice to see you, and we appreciate your continued loyalty. For those of you wishing to join our Sky Miles members, we invite you to visit our website at delta.com, where you will also find our newest destinations and our lowest fares. I'd like to wish everyone a very pleasant stay here in the Atlanta area, wherever your final destination may take you today. For those of you coming home, we'd like to be the first to say welcome home. Thank you and have a great day.